Hello and welcome back to another episode of £5,000 to £5,000 carpet challenge. In the last one you'll see that we bought two. We bought a Mini and we bought a 1 Series BMW 120D. Now, so the Mini was sold. The 120D on the other hand is still with us. And I'm actually starting to think that we bought a bit of a lemon. Now, let me explain what's been going on. As you all know, it needed a new bumper and a wing mirror and a few other little bits. Now, if I flick around now, you'll see that those little bits have been done, but we have come across a few other problems that we are having nothing but trouble with. I will flick around now and show you what the deal is. So yeah, there she is, parked up at the moment, not really done a lot. Has now got a rear bumper on it. We've done that, fitted a nice new bumper. It's all good, it's all good. But, as I was saying, new wing mirror. The problem we have come across now is, as you can see, I've got no door card. We've got issues with the FRM module, and deep inside the glove box is what they call a JBE junction electric box. Right up behind there, if I can get you in there, hang on. So basically, deep in here, take that out, right down in the back of there. You can't really see it on camera, unfortunately. So anyway, there's bits here. Yeah, it's really not good at the moment. I will explain a bit more in detail. So yeah, in detail, right, the central locking doesn't work. It just does not. There's nothing we can do about it. So basically, after some research, we were told it was the FRM module not connecting due to what we can only assume was when the battery was died or changed or whatever. It's caused something, it wouldn't do it. So we're like, right, okay. It's taken us a while to get to it. We've now found out that the FRM module doesn't actually control the central locking. Get rid of this. It actually controls the windscreen wipers and a few other bits and bobs. So we are now being told it is the JBE box which controls the central locking. Now the issue I've got is the central locking works on the driver's door. That's it. It doesn't unlock anything else. So when we plug in a diagnostic tool, it tells us that it is basically an unlocking relay issue, which is okay, fine, we'll change it. No, it's not that simple. We have to change the whole entire JBE box and then get it reprogrammed. Apparently, we're not sure. So not so much of an issue, because with BMW you've got your key fob and you slide it out and you've got a part of the key, not a problem. So we use the lock to get in and out of the door if we need to. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Doing that has broken the internal door lock. So at the moment I can't lock the car. It is getting it sorted. We are trying to get it done. So, but we're not in a rush. It is just a massive pain in the ass. So, have we bought a lemon? Who knows? Who knows? Part of me thinks we have. If it wasn't an electrical issue, then the car itself is perfectly fine. But yeah, I'm not good with stuff like this, as you've probably realised from the budget build series, that I still haven't updated anything on the Escort yet. We're still waiting on bits. Well, we haven't ordered bits, and we're doing more and more and finding more and more bits. But anyway, yeah, I'm still learning. This is all still new to me. So personally, at the moment, I think that we bought a lemon. But if we can get it sorted, then it is a decent car, it is a good car. It's just knowing what needs sorting, how to sort it out, and getting all the correct parts in. So at the moment, I'm just literally doing research, just trying to find out what's best. I'm asking on the BMW Owners Club, and nobody seems to know 100% sure what's going on. So the plan is to get a new FRM module and the new JBE module. Hopefully we can get matching ones, so it's not too much of an issue, and hopefully we haven't got to recode it all, because if so, then that's just any profit from this car has just gone. and then it defeats the object of doing it. So at the moment, that is literally the only update I've got. Like I said, it's got a new bumper on it now, the wing mirror has been done, so it's just sorting out this electrical gremlin, and hopefully the central locking will be working, and as soon as it is, then eventually the car will be cleaned up properly and valeted, detailed, whatever you want to call it, and then it will be put up for sale. But yeah, for the time being, you know, we're just using it to run around the yard in and whatever. But yeah, not great. We are already looking at other ones though, to be honest with you. Probably shouldn't be, but we are looking at the next lot. Oh, I've got something on my nose there, look. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Obviously, if you can, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one.